You gonna do your puzzle? You can see it when I'm done. Let's do your puzzle here. Look, what's this? Circle. Can you put that where it goes? Good. What's that one? Yeah, it's close to a pentagon. What's that? Oval, yeah. What's that? No. What is that? Diamond. What's that one? Rectangle, that's right. What's that one? Square. Triangle, that's right. Last one, what's that? What is You want to see it? Okay. Can you say hi?
Hi.
I love you.
Hello.